Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a CVS haul on my lunch break. I wanted to talk about the Persil laundry detergent. Of course, I had posted where I was talking about Shakayla, one of my lovely people, had sent me some $3 Persil coupons. Now, we didn't even get Persil coupons in my area this time. We didn't get the Army Hammer and we did not get the Purex. So I don't know what's going on with the laundry coupons. But anyway, I tried to do that deal Saturday evening, was not able to do it because the store that I have that's early activation near my house was out of Persil. I told the cashier, I said, you do realize this is getting ready to be a deal on tomorrow, on Sunday. She says, I know, but the truck comes on Wednesday. So unfortunately, I didn't get to use those Persil coupons. I was so upset because they were $3 coupons and I knew this was just going to be an awesome deal. The Persil deal is spend $20 and get a $7 extra buck. So one thing that I did want to add about those Persil coupons, Shakayla, they will not go to waste. I'm going to actually send them off to Guam to the lady that I send the expired coupons to, that shops on the military base. So those coupons will not go to waste, okay? Which I love Persil. I really like that laundry detergent along with OxyClean. But at any rate, I did the deal today, okay? I only had one little lonely little $2 coupons.com coupon. I don't know when I printed it. I just print stuff and then hold it because I know I'm going to need it eventually. So I had the $2 coupon. I was able to roll $13 in extra bucks. So that's what really made this deal be okay for me. My stock up price for laundry is $1. I don't want to go beyond $1. But today I actually did. I actually went a little over $1. I did 4 things of Persil, which I did 2 of the Power Clean. So I did 2 of the Power Clean. I know there's a glare because I'm in my truck, but you got 2 of these. So I got 2 of those, and then I was able to get 2 of the liquid. Okay, so I got 2 of the liquid, and I paid. It's in the bag. I ended up paying $4.76. So that's like a little over $1 for each one. $4.76 was my subtotal because I rolled $13 in extra bucks. Used my little $2 coupon and got my Persil. And then I got $7 in extra bucks back. So I'm good with that. I'm cool with that. I feel like that's a good deal. I still was able to get me $7 back because I'm gonna take that $7 after work and roll it into something else. Okay, just wanted to come on and remind you lovely people to make sure you do that deal for the Persil. If you really didn't have a lot of coupons, then I would recommend that you do some other deal that's going to get you some good extra bucks. If you happen to have the Gliss, do the Gliss deal. I think the Gliss deal is a good deal, especially if you have the CRT for shampoo. Do the Gliss deal and then roll it into your Persil, because it was a bunch of Persil on the shelf. So that lets me know a lot of people did not get coupons either because they didn't get them in this area. Okay, remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.
Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystal@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystal. If you like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.